Welcome, CS Trades. Wolfpack. How you guys doing today? Power Hour. This would be classed as one of our premieres. First time that I've done Power Hour. Have I done Power Hour before? I don't know. We have over 400 and some odd podcasts out there. But we're going to be doing Power Hour. And we're going to be inviting people once in a while. I'm going to be doing this because we're going to be having a special guest on tomorrow. Pantheon is coming on live with us because there's a lot of uncertainty going around the market, and some people take people's content and stuff, and you know what I mean, and just shift it around. And it's happened to a couple of creators. So we want to get out there and answer some questions so stuff isn't misconstrued. It's been happening to our brother, you know that. We just wanted to clarify that. So he's going to come on and answer some questions about that, not about that entity, but about incorrect information going around. So we wanted to get Pantheon on here to go through that. As you know, he is a DD Master of an Art of AMC. And in our video that we shoot at the end of this AMC thing here, we're going to probably we're hopefully going to get Phil Real Productions to produce it. And it's going to be pretty good. We're going to try to keep a lot of it in-house. I have not talked to my brother yet about it, but I would love to have him in it. And there's going to be a lot of it. There's going to be a lot of our sub base, our security department, which is our mods, will definitely be in there. It's just going to be play out the way it is. So every event that happens, so even people taking content and stuff like that will all be recorded live on this video. It's just part of the stuff going on. This has happened to a bunch of creators, right? So we're just going to explain that how the bots and all that stuff come into play, how the stuff shifts around. So I just want to keep you guys on that. I'm just going to I got to add some more stuff here. I'm going to bring up some chats for you guys. I wanted to say thanks for the mods for coming on here and doing that. Coming on here. Sorry, I was just trying to read this. I got this going on the side here just so I can keep track of YouTube because it's getting pretty busy. It's hard for myself doing this all at once, which I can handle it. But I just wanted to say, mods, I just seen something come up on the server. There's no link over there. Do you want to go through a link up on our server, please, for this live feed? I'm just going to go through the chat here, throw some stuff out here. Natalie the Trader. Wow. What do we have the privilege for you today? It's one busy girl. Right on, everybody. I'm just going to do a shout out here. Doug J. Sanjay, right on. Ralph. Telly Dog, what's up, brother? He's one of our newer members on our server. So Gloria, how you doing, girl? The Baker. Gloria the Baker. That's what we're going to call you. Gloria the Baker. Oh, man. I love you girls. You ladies, I should say. You bring the nice warm heart feeling to our channel, and especially to our server, too. I just wanted to say that. So, it is what it is, right? So I'm just going to get over here. I'm just going to, as you all know, I do post over to Reddit. So let's get all this stuff set up over here to Wall Street Breakers. I did see Natalie on here. Is she still on here? Yeah. Anyways, Natalie the Trader. I seen you were over on Wall Street Breakers Discord a while ago. I did write you a message, but I don't know if you got it. We have our own private server now. I still am affiliated with them. It's just that we've kind of stepped it up a little bit, right? So we're ready for a crash across the platforms here. So the reason why we did that is because we want to be prepared, and I want to make sure that you guys are protected in that entity, right? it's pretty scary. Well, the discords that I'm involved in, like Wall Street Breakers and stuff like that. I did join Boss Blunt's this morning early on there. Somebody sent me, Sanjay sent me a link to it. So I'm a member of that now. I don't know I just went in there. I didn't have a chance to look around or anything like that. But I just wanted to support him and stuff to hopefully get some of his shared information that he's sharing public. Sometimes it's shared inside of a server instead of out into the public on YouTube. It probably operates like us. So I'm just getting set up right now. Wow, there's a lot of wolves in here today. Right on. So we're just going to get set up on Power Hour here. Just give me a minute. I was busy on the server talking to you guys, and I lost track of time by a couple minutes. So just give me 1 second. I'm just posting over to GME group here. Pixie, hey girl. Okay, just a little bit longer. Just a little bit longer. No singing, Cameron. Don't sing. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Super stonks, 5,000. Super stonks. Okay. I just got to set a flare up here. Add a flare. Add a flare ski. It's tendy time. Yeah, we're going to set it tendy time here. Okay. There we go. We're done. We're done ski. Well, Kirsty's telling her life story on the server. Where is she anyways? I thought, what's she doing playing over with the guys in the Wolf Lounge? What are you doing, Christy? Get your butt ski over here. I'm just joking, by the way, my friends. So, anyways, let's pull up a screen here. Let's get into this. I'm going to pull this chat off here, and we're going to get into some. Oh, there she is. Big smile. Right on. I love you, ladies. Hi, Proud. How you doing, Andrea? How you doing, girl? Okay, so let's get over here and pull up a screen or two or three or four. So we do have a guest joining us at about quarter after. Both of us older gentlemen had to have a nap. So I know that Jeffrey had a nap too. Hopefully he gets up in time. If he doesn't, it's all good. It's all good, right? I'm pretty easygoing when it comes to that. So we did this morning. We did have we seen that there was a negative pull down on the market. We seen that first thing in the morning. That's why it's awesome coming and doing this power hour. I'm definitely gonna do it from now on. I just I put that out there for you wolves, right? And everybody's like, yeah, man, why aren't you? Okay, fine. I'll do it as much as I can. There'll be some days that I can't. Okay. I'm just giving you guys and ladies heads up. Dude, sleeping all day. Right on. We're getting old, right? Power naps. That's right. Power naps. So I will try this as much as I can. Like I'll be on like 99% of the time. Sometimes, especially with the camping season coming up, what I'm going to have to do is when I'm out camping, I'm going to have to drive about 20 kilometers from the mountaintop down to where I get cell service, and I will launch for you guys off my laptop. Okay. I'll have to do that like weekly, but I will do that. I don't care. I told you guys that. I'm just working on getting some software sent up from the States, so I don't have to pay for data. It'll be unlimited packages. We don't have that in Canada, in Vancouver yet, so it would cost me probably about $100-200 a day just to launch this. So, oh yeah. Christy's ignoring Sanjay. They're having a brother-sister spat. I love it. So Let's have a look here. Oh, BBIG. Yeah, this had a bit of a negative pull down in the morning, and she had a recovery a bit. It went up, and then it went back down, went under the VWAP, and that's when I noticed it. And then it's having a backup pull again. It did go down to the $2.46 roughly, and then it had to pull back up. We're getting this barcoding again. I don't really care for this. Oh, you're having some people saying hi to Gloria here, which is, oh, that's nice. Very nice. Ah, that's, yeah, pancakes, maple syrup, but are they Canadian bacon? Are you Canadian, bro? Pancakes, maple syrup, Canadian maple syrup with Canadian bacon. If you guys haven't had, if you haven't had Canadian bacon or with maple syrup, like slow cook, oh my God, that's what Canada's known for, right? So, okay, so let's jump on in here. So we're at BBIG. Looking good, looking good. I know there's a lot of people in on this. Hopefully, you make some day money on your day trades. You should have pulled out by now, though. I wouldn't leave it any. Well, you're pretty much. Well, you would have had a recovery. Yeah, I really can't see anything else happening. It's usually the volume dies off in the afternoon on this kind of stuff. See, I would have pulled out in here. What time is this? 10? Yeah, 9:30, 10. That's usually when I would have pulled out. So I would have pulled out around this area. Oh, before this ladder attack, 100%. I would have pulled out. So I would have, yeah, I would have been, I would have been about the same as the recovery in the afternoon. Oh no, it's actually lower. So that's when I would have pulled out. I like pulling out before most day traders. It's not a problem. What's your take on? I can check it out. I can check it out for sure. Yeah. Any ticker symbols? Thank you, Brian. Any ticker symbols that you want me to go through, I will go through on. Not a problem. What I'll do is I'll have two screens set up on here. If you need me to check the short interest out, short percent of float. I mean, sorry, correction on that. Thank you. Sorry, I didn't do a screen share. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Sanjay. Getting used to this new software. There you guys go. Thanks. Thanks, brother. Okay, so this negative pull down, I'll explain it again. This negative pull down on the market right now. This is usually when I get out, like about 10 in here, 9, 10. Depends. I would have seen this probably in here. I would have been, holy crow, what's going on, right? On that aspect, I would have pulled the pin. Okay, so I might have got it in here. I would have this would have scared me. This ladder attack stuff going on here. So yeah. Eat some pancakes and maple syrup. Brian's the man. Thanks, Christy. I got it up. It takes YouTube a little bit to get it over there. It takes a little bit. So what else was I going to do? See, I'm used to Streamlabs. We will be doing that in the mornings. Okay, when I don't have any guest coming. So let's have a look at AMC. It's holding. It's actually holding pretty good. It went up a bit and it's just consolidating right now. Okay. This is possibly going to go back up. I could see it. I could see it hitting this area. I'm going to show you something. This is a harsh resistance. Yeah. Holy crow. Isn't that crazy? Like I said, these lines are old. Like this 18, that's a huge line. Look at that. It couldn't hold. It couldn't hold. Okay. Look at that. That's from the previous day. Okay, it's having issues. It's hitting that line and just will not hold. Okay, so it will punch through it and hold. See, it's fighting for the 18.34 limit. $18 is good enough. What's going on? That's funny. You guys are having fun today. Good. I'm glad you wolves are having fun today. That's awesome. Do you know what comment? Oh, I have to put a no comments. I was afraid to put that up. I thought she was going to say, don't post on the big board. I was like, oh, what am I doing here? So anyways, so we're going to have that's where I see AMC sitting. We're going to put it back on the one right here. And yeah, there's that line. It's up here, actually. There it is right there. So we do have another line that is forming that it's having problems hitting is a 17. I'm actually going to put something on there. Just hang on. Yes. Oh, we got a guest in the studio right now. Jeffrey. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to pull him up on the screen here. Wow, the guy's punctual. Good for him. So I see this line right here. I showed it back there. I'm going to actually put it right there. So this line is the next line. Okay. I'm telling you right now, straight up. I can tell because it's cracking off of it and pulling back down. Okay. This is happening all the way along. Okay. So we'll go back to the next day here. I'm just going to go to 30 so I don't have to keep on pulling it. Yeah, that's it. Those are the lines. And then there's the 30, 12. So these are the resistance, and obviously resistance turns to support. So here's my friend. Let's bring Jeffrey on here, and I'm going to pull these chats off the side though. Okay, just there you go, brother. How is your afternoon? Old
It
man
was
nap.
good. It was good. I
I know I had
kind
one too,
of
dude.
kind of had a
Oh, I
nap,
feel
but not
better.
really.
I know it makes you feel better. I noticed that I get into this routine. If like this routine, and it is what it is, right? I've been doing this for a while now. This old man nap thing, and and all you younger traders, it'll happen to you too. Don't worry, it'll happen soon enough.
Yeah, it will. Trust me. No, I normally don't take a nap, but like I said,
You
I
late
had to
last
wake
night,
up
eh?
at like 2 in the morning this morning and go mess with a leak that was in an upstairs condo.
Yeah.
So I was out of it. I only had like an hour and a half sleep, and then I woke up to go do that. So I was pretty
Right.
tired.
Hey, man. Yeah. For
So
instance, we got a little rivalry happening on the chats today. The brother and sister are going at it. Sanjay and Christy are going at it all day. It's been since this morning, back at each other, back
oh
and forth,
yeah, I
all over the
saw
server.
Sanjay. Sanjay was throwing out a bunch of tickers this morning.
Yeah. So it's a brother sister thing going on here. It happens. It's funny. It's our comedy that we have on the channel. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So, anyways, my
What's up,
friends,
Jay?
anybody that when we're in Mexico, just ask me to bring some Canadian real syrup down with me. I'll bring a bunch of little bottles, those little tiny bottles. They're really expensive. I don't really care. I just for you guys to taste it. What we'll do is when we're in the hotel, we'll crack it out on the table and you guys can taste some real, not the fake stuff. There's fake stuff going around. I don't know. Can you guys get that at Costco, the Canadian syrup? You can get it here. It's
Yeah,
you can? The real is it
yeah.
real? Okay, good. Oh, so you guys can taste it. Good. Um that I like having that, and Grey Goose is one of my favorite. Grey Goose with drinking. That's what I drink. That's my vodka. I don't like anything else really except Grey Goose. Up here it's like for what is it, $70 for a 2.6. 2.6 or $70 up here for a 26 ouncer. Yeah, it's nuts. So,
I don't even know what the price of alcohol is anymore. I haven't drank for 17 years.
oh really? Oh wow.
Yeah.
I'm not much of a drinker either. Everybody on the channel, like I used to back in the, we used to have, we're going to do it again, actually, nights where we just drink and laughs with CS trades. We've done it
Yeah.
before. We're going to do it again. But like, man, I only drink maybe like 4 or 5 times a year. I drank actually probably for about 3 weeks, every third or fourth day. It's just, it comes and goes. Like when I'm out camping. Yeah. I like to have a couple drinks out there. Um, and I will be, but I got to watch it if I'm doing power hour and I'm driving down the road and stuff. You know what I mean? Even
Yeah.
out there, like they call them Royal Canadian Mounted Police out there, the RCMP, will roast you. Like the other day, it's funny. I'm disputing it, but I got a cell phone ticket. It was $400 for having a cell phone in my. I had it in the cradle, and I pushed the button, and there was a cop at an intersection looking in my window. Knocked on the window, was put the window down, and then it rang through the truck system, right? Because you touched it. I watched you touch it. So they never show up to court. I'll beat it. So, anyways, it is what I have a camera inside my truck that
Oh,
records
so
everything.
even if you have it on like Bluetooth or whatever, like through
Yeah.
your
Yeah, because I touched it to push the send on it. He said, "No,
oh,
you cannot touch that." I said, "Well, how am I?" He goes, "Through your hand controls on your steering wheel." I'm like, "Are you kidding me?" He goes, "Yeah." I go, "How much is that bad boy?" And he goes, "It's about $400 and then points on top of it." And I think it's 50 or $100 in points. But it is what it is. That's just the Canadian laws up here. I think it's happening worldwide. They're trying to implement that. It is what it is. I'm definitely going to be fighting it in court. Um,
yeah, that's crazy.
isn't it? Okay, so do you have any? Go ahead. Go ahead, Jeffrey.
Oh no, I'm looking through. Like I said, I didn't really have a chance. I was on this morning while I was trying to fix a leak, trying to get my trades in, and so I don't even know what they've done today. So I
Oh
was
well,
just looking through.
yeah. Oh, you're just looking through them now. Um,
Yeah,
do you just use your cell phone for everything, eh? I guess. Oh yeah, you're still at work, and yeah, you're still on the go here.
yeah. Most of the time, I'll use my cell phone. I have my tablet that I can pull out if I need to, but for the most part, I just use my cell phone.
Oh, okay. Right on. Cool, cool, cool.
I mean, if I'm at home, if I'm not going in and work for a while, I'll put it up on the computer. But it's so
That's
much
exact.
easier.
Yeah, that's exactly what I just used the laptop here. But I need to look at the clips. There's these clips that go on the side. It's kind of like I learned that off of Ross Warrior Trading. When I was doing he has like have a mobile station too. I have a backpack that it all fits in, and there's
Oh
actual
yeah.
cords and all that stuff with battery packs in there to run all the stuff, like at an airport or something like that. But he has the clips. I got to order them off Amazon. That's where he said he got them, and it puts you can clip two screens on the side so you can have your trader
Oh,
station. Yeah, it's pretty
okay.
dope. It's pretty dope. I got a couple. I got a TV up there, and I got another one. Well, I got TVs all over this friggin' house. That's another thing the wife gets mad about me buying. I have this obsession with TVs. Okay, Jeffrey, you need to check out ticker symbol. Okay, what was going on here?
Oh, it looked like Brian wanted to check out CBDC.
Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I'm just on the chart, or do you want a short in? See what was it? Sorry, Jeffrey.
CBDC. I'm not sure. It's for Brian in the chat. Brian Carpenter.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 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 Brian, not a problem. This is it right here. It's delisted. No, that's wrong. It's delisted. That's the wrong one. I'm gonna go back. I'm probably being dyslexic here because I have an issue with that. Actually, it's true story. I'm not just making fun of. I do have an. I just have. My mods always bug me about it. Cameron, what's going on here? Yeah, you want to throw that back up on the bottom again, please? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. I got it. I got it. I got it. C B D C. Delisted, bro. What? Where are you out of, my friend? Are you out of the States or Canada? Because that will make a difference. So we're going to move on to. I'm actually going to check out. There's a list here. We're going to check out CEI. Oh, it is digital. I won't be able to look it up right now. I can look it up when I. Okay. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. I do have some here. We'll get into that in 1 second. I'm just going to check CEI out. Yeah, dude. Is it out of the States? That CBDC. Have you heard of that, Jeffrey?
Oh, it's that new the new digital currency. The um. Dang, I'm trying to think of what it is now. It's
I haven't heard of it.
USD coin.
Oh, okay. It's probably not even on here yet. That's probably what it is.
Yeah, let me check. Um,
Yeah, go ahead, check for it. I'm just going to cover this Camber Energy here. So Camber Energy is it's doing that barcoding too. That is weird, man. I don't understand these things, man. Why are they doing this? And it's at 20%. It's not. I thought it was because of low volume there back in the day, but no, this is happening constantly. Oh, central bank digitally currency. Okay. Thank you, Brian. Thank you. I'm going to look into that more. I just can't get it here. Just hang on a second. I'm not going to sell you short here. Give me a second, brother. Diaz. Hello, brother. How you doing?
yeah, I don't even think that's even
Up there yet?
um in there yet.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna might have to. We'll have to wait for that one, my friend. I can't find it anywhere on here, but it's coming.
I
There's your brother,
remember
Diaz. Diaz. I'll say stop saying Diaz. I'll stop. I'll my Canadian accent. I have to turn it into the American.
what's up, Pete?
Yeah, yeah. It came up. I know we're trying to get him over on our server. Hint, hint, hint. So, anyways, yeah, I was looking at this one. You guys are still sitting above the VWAP barely. It cracked off of it a couple times here. I just did a test level. It pulled back on that aspect, and yeah, we're just gonna be sitting and just going hard here on this. Hopefully, a lot of you made some money on this. CASA is another one. Look at this thing go. It's up 77%. This morning it was sitting. How did she come out of the gate? She had this big pull down. That would have scared a lot of people. Yeah, it came out of the gate hard. And then at about 9:30, 10, this would have scared me. I probably would have pulled the pin right here. That would have scared me right there. Hey, Jeff, would that have scared you?
Normally the way that I play is
Oh, yeah, you don't. Yeah, you use the
if,
AMA. Sorry, totally different.
if it goes well, if it drops 15%, I usually get out. I mean, no questions asked.
So
Um,
it would have too. That's for
unless
sure.
unless there's a lot of
Volume.
hype behind it, like maybe I know that the market makers and everything are gonna be messing with it. Then I'll
Yeah.
just wait a minute. But on a stock that's just like with CEI, I mean it's been up and down all the way since back in January of last year. Like it's one of the I think it's in the basket of meme stocks. So I
Yeah.
mean I have a little bit of tolerance on those ones just because I know that they're gonna have some volatility.
Yeah.
But I've never even looked at Casa systems.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
No, you're
it's
getting
up
some
there.
messages. Oh, you're getting some love here from your brother here, man.
Yeah, it's me, boss.
Yeah. He's on live. He likes hanging out with CS Trades. Um, what's up? There you go. There you go,
Wow,
brother.
I had a huge gap up this morning.
I know, isn't it insane? Look at that. It's just going for power hour. We're gonna get some consolidation right here a bit, but she could crack up again, man. Like that's pushing
Yeah,
hard. That's pushing really hard, man.
yeah,
Are you do you listen to this or do you watch this stock that much, or is this kind of like one of those trades that trade and then it down climbs and then it consolidates for a couple weeks and then it'll have a push, then it will bleed? What
yeah.
do
I
you?
don't even know. Like I said, I haven't even seen this.
Me neither. Most like, oh, it's look at the float. Ha, it's nothing. That's why they're moving this. It's up. It's up. It's over.
I'm trying to do some research on it right now and find out what's going on with it.
Oh, I can pull it up right now. It is
Oh,
communication technology.
it's an oil. Wait a
Oh
minute.
yeah. No, I think you got the. I got it right here, brother. I don't know if you can see that. It's a communications technology company. The company offers uh, physical, viral, and cloud native fifth generation 5G. Oh, okay, that's cool. Multi-service communication network.
Um,
Oh, this could be huge.
yeah, it's a data.
Yeah, it could be huge. Some of these rip, but I'm going to do something here. This is what I usually do. Let's do a pullback of 30 on it and see. Oh, This is just a pump, guys. That's all
Yeah,
this is. I would be very careful. I would, if it would not financial advice, but I bet you tomorrow or the next day this thing collapses. Okay,
yeah, because there's no news like
no,
they had any acquisitions or they did anything like that. There's no news on it.
no, none whatsoever, none whatsoever. So here's Niall. This is what AB was in on this morning. He was playing
Oh no,
around.
you know what? There there's
Go ahead.
a 50%. It surges almost 50% after Verizon investment.
Oh, there you go.
So
There you
let's
go.
see here.
That would do it. That would be a huge. That's going to hold its level then, um, for a while on that. Did you?
Oh, Verizon is buying $40 million worth of their shares
There. That's what
to
pumped
take
it.
a 10% stake in the company.
That's what pumped it. But that's what happened after hours because they won't buy during the daytime, my friend. It was just carried to retail. So Cam
Yeah.
crypto liquidation in the last 24 hours. Whoa, breaking news here. We got some breaking news from the mod department. Wow. Okay, guys, this is huge. This is
What
what we're
does that
looking
say?
for. It says Cam 240 million in crypto liquidation in the last 24 hours. Okay, Wolfpack. This is one
Oh,
of
wow.
the squeeze tools that we have in our box that we look for a squeeze for a MOAS. Okay, this is the first stuff that happens before any of these things will rip. Okay, let's jump on a crypto because this is what happens. They will liquidate, the hedges will liquidate crypto, and that to get out, they got to close some of these positions. Okay, crypto is one of the easiest. It's a 24-hour day, 7 days a week liquidation. Um, so yeah, and but that is going to continue. Like that's just a start, right? Like that's let's have. I'm going to pull something up here. I have a list with the crypto on it. What the heck is going on here? Oh, all stocks. Here we go. Yeah, it didn't even have a pull down yet on the market. Okay, so that over the next couple of days will probably you'll start seeing a pull down here.
Yeah, this says that the price target, the new price target for CASA CASA, I guess,
Yeah,
is
yeah,
$8 on the high and 6 on the low. So it's right in the middle. So it may
okay,
hold right here.
yeah,
It may hold right in this area. But you also have to think that these analysts that put up these price targets, they're looking at maybe it being like 2/3 of what their high is. So, if it's $30, they're really only thinking it's going to get up to 20. But they're going to make you think that it's getting up to 30, so you're holding the bag while they're getting out at 20.
yeah. That's right. They're going to trap you. They're going to
Yeah,
trap. Okay, so I got this one here. There's a couple different ones. I was going to bring up Nile, but I'm going to bring up this one for Doug here. Um, are you in on this? Oh, Jesus! Look at this. This is on the 1 minute. Oh man, like there's a whole bunch of bag holders on this baby. Holy crap! Look at that. Oh, it's actually holding. I'm surprised. It had a
yeah,
pull down.
I got into this one last Friday.
Yeah. Did you get in and out?
No, I'm still in it. I got in it at like 53 cents.
What's it at? You cut in at 53 cents.
Yeah,
Wow, good. How'd you find that one before everybody else then, bro?
I have Discourse that I'm in that has alerts and scanners and stuff like that. So
Well, that's pretty cool, man. That's awesome, man. Yeah,
we get movers.
that's pretty cool, man. It's the volume starting to drop off. It looks like a bit though, but it's still
Yeah,
holding. It's still holding. You couldn't 50 cent, dude. That's a good hit, man. That's good, and it's holding at 10. I want to check the short interest on this. I got to pull the screen down the screen share because I'm
yeah.
gonna end up hitting this screen here. So what I'm going to do is bring this up here. I'm going to look. I'm going to look this up on her squeeze list here. I'm very curious to see something about this. And sorry, my friends, I had to pull that down because I just don't want to be showing this list public, as you guys know. Okay, so um, and Doug, are you in on this, bro? Let's see what the short interest is on it. It's not available. Wow, that's the
Yeah, the
third.
good thing though is it's a meet or beat expectations over the last 4 quarters. So
Okay, holy Jesus! Wow, look at this. I've never seen this before in my life. Insider shares held by all insiders 96.82%. 90 frigging 8. That the insiders hold. The company is
yeah,
bought up by all insiders except Jeff Jeffrey, right? Holy crow. Percent of float held by institutions is 21.2. That's insane, man. Number of institutions holding is only 36. Wow. No wonder, man. This is like crazy that you found that out, bro. And Wolfpack, I'd be very careful in this. And hey, and there's one weird thing that uh, Vanguard and BlackRock are not number 1 or 2. I don't even see them on the list. I don't even recognize any of these companies at all. Not one. Oh no, Jito Capital Management. I recognize that. Citizen Group. That's the only ones I recognize on the whole list. Okay, yeah. So that's all the data we have on that. Sorry about that, my friends. I'm just gonna pull this down, and I'll put back up the screen share here. I'm just gonna let my dog in here. Okay, pull that back up here. So yeah, we are having a pull down. It did go below the VWAP. Here, I'm just gonna hit this refresh button here, my friends. This one, Camber Energy's at or no, this is Nile. Sorry, this is the one I want to bring up. Yeah, they're all having a pull down. What's happened is the day traders are pulling out right now. We're getting pretty, yeah. Well, look what time it is. Most of these stocks will have a fractional pull down there at the end of the day. I just want to jump here. This one's still pushing hard. I'll put it back on now. I'm just gonna let my dog in here, buddy. Just give me a second. Come on, Finnegan.
yeah. Normally, if the volume doesn't spike up in the last hour, it's done for because a lot of traders get in for the first 2 hours of the day and then the last hour of the day.
That's right. That's right.
So if there's not a spike in volume in the last hour, then it's pretty much done. It was probably just a pump and dump.
You want to see my Finny? Say hi. Say hi to the wolf pack. Eh? Say hi. Good little buddy. Here, I'll put you down. There you go. So yeah, it's okay, Finn. Relax, bud. He's like wondering what I'm doing, and he's like, "Dad, you're never in here doing this. You're talking again to yourself." He's probably my dad's a weirdo. Um,
Yeah, you
okay.
can.
Do. Crypto liquidation is okay. Crypto liquidation is no proof that AMC. I never said that. I never said that. Where are you getting that from? Go back and listen to what I said. You're not a member of us, obviously. I said it's a tool that is used, and what happens is crypto will get liquidated when these stocks. We've seen it happen multiple. We are stock squeeze experts on this channel, my friend. This is what we specialize in. So this is where do you get it from? Me. That's where I get it from. So we see this. We see what we'll see is every time the stock goes up, we see that the crypto goes down. We've seen it happening multiple times before. So yeah, it's just something that we've seen. We've been following this from day one. And that's what we build our channel off of are these tools. That's just one of these tools. I don't get into personally into these tools because they're privately owned by CS Trades. The Wolfpack tools, we have tons of them. So yeah, you're going to see it happen. So it is what it is. You can't change that. So yeah, all the Wolfpack members will agree on the board right now. Light the board up, Wolfpack. Show them what it's about these crypto. Um, yeah, we're gonna see it, my friend. Yeah, it's just how it is. You're gonna see this crypto go down. Um, and yeah, so try not to put a spin on things, my friend, because I didn't say that. Don't you like when people try doing that on the channel?
All right. Oh, looks like it's holding though pretty good.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is.
I mean, I'm looking at the 4 hour and it's not.
Okay, so oh, you got the 4 hours, sir. Sorry. I wanted to jump over to some sundial here, my friends.
Okay.
Jeffrey, sir, I'm just jumping here.
It's all good.
It's all good. Sorry, buddy. If you wanted to cover something, just tell me. I was just dumb. I'm jumping over there. Actually, I clicked it by accident, so I didn't want to bounce back on you and mess you up.
You're
We're seeing
good.
this pull down here too. Um, definitely, it's. I hate to say it, but people are day trading this stuff too. They just do, right? It's kind of sucks, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it got totally
You see,
attacked right there
I know. It's just getting hammered on.
at about 240. Started getting attacked.
Yeah.
It's trying to come back up though.
Where where do you think GM will start the next? Brian, that is something that we've been looking at. I don't know. I can't put a date on that, bro. But the thing is, thanks, brother. Gabriella.
GME has a way stronger chart than
How am I pronouncing that name? I
AMC
don't want to say
does.
that wrong. A A B. Oh, I can't even. I'm sorry, but I'm not going to even say your name. I don't want to disrespect you. But welcome to the channel, brother. Oh, he's a member. Whoa. Okay. Never
What
mind.
was
I
that
didn't know you
one?
were.
Abdiel. See you later, Pete.
Pete, are you out of here, bro?
Tell boss I said hi.
Welcome, buddy. You remember that door's open for you, man. Cam, you'll be day trading Cardano. Yeah, eventually. Ticker ADA. Yeah, eventually I will. Not not actual date, but I'll probably be doing week or like every 2 weeks or a month on it. Yeah, for sure. I'll pull it up. Jeffrey, I'm just gonna jump to this for a second. I'm gonna show you why, just so people understand why. Because it does these sweeps, okay? And there's not that many people. I don't know. Do you? I don't know if that many people day not day trade, but trade crypto like that, like in weekly and just buy sell buy sell. I don't know. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I haven't really day traded or even swing traded crypto. I just have a little bit of sheep and some have Bitcoin, and I basically just set it in there like I'm not gonna touch it for 10 years. It's just in my Coinbase account, and I don't even look at it really.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So that's good. Yeah. I know what you're saying. You just put it in there and just forget about it, and if it goes up or down.
Yeah,
So here's what I see is these patterns, right? These highs and lows. See, they move quite a bit. Not that one, but you'll see it. That's why I said it like a month or 2 weeks to like a buck. See, I'm used to with penny stocks. If it moves 50 cents or like a dollar, $1.50, you can make some money on that stuff. That's
Yeah.
just how I do it. I buy big chunks of it and just like roll it. Just keep on rolling it and rolling it, right? It's like back up to almost see, it was down at the 70 cents. Now it goes to $1. Have you noticed that anything under $1 on this is a steal in just my eyes? Um, do you have any Cardano at all?
Um, I don't have any Cardano. I think I used to. I'm not sure. I may still have some. Let me check. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Let me take this call real quick. I'm gonna.
Yeah, dude, it's all good. Just yep,
Okay.
yeah, just put your yeah, there you go. He knows what to do. Oh, what a beautiful family. Oh, Jeff, you gotta love the guy. So yeah. So yeah, back about this Cardano. That is up to you what you do on that. But I've showed you guys before. Ralph, where's your? Do you throw? Oh, he must be on a different. Oh, I know you guys are. Ah, man, you guys are hilarious. So, I'm not going to jump much into Ethereum. They're like sitting around the same levels. Bitcoin's gone down a bit. Um, yeah, the market's just looking a little bit dead today. Um, Suncor Energy's had a down pull. It's still in the green. This is one of my dividend plays. Yeah, it has gone down a little bit. Still 3.89. Solid company though. Really solid company on that one. This is Loop Energy. It's out of Chilliwack. Bitcoin 25,000. My wolf is sleeping. So, anyways, what was I going to say? Sorry, I was reading the comments there. Oh, head in there. Okay. I was wondering what you were saying. I was like, Bitcoin. I'm looking at the screen. I'm like, that's a huge. Oh yeah, it will have a negative pull down for sure. Just hold me to that. Hold me to that with the crypto prices. Okay, on that. Um, yes, and then they'll be part of the fire sale too, my friends. That's where you can get in and just bang, get in and buy. Okay, seriously, you can do really good on that. So yeah, low volume on this, definitely. So this is Loop Energy. It's out of Chilliwack, British Columbia. It's just probably about an hour, maybe in 10-minute drive. Um, these are into fuel cell systems with water. Loop Energy is designed with polymer electrode membrane. Okay, really, they actually, it's not on here, but I did some research on this. They're out of the UK. They've sold a bunch of these fuel cells that run on buses. Okay, in the UK, brilliant idea. This company is way ahead of its time. Okay, it just came in. This company's fairly new, but I wanted to show you the reason why I'm showing you guys. Why the heck is he showing me this? The reason why I'm showing you this is because I'm going to show you something. Like, look at this sporadic, hardly any volume. Okay. But I'm going to show you something. We're going to go back into the day. Okay. Look at this. This whole company's been bleeding. Okay. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that nuts? Because this is what I wanted to teach you guys. This is what I wanted to teach you guys. With a company, um, like this, when a company's new, I know some gold mines that are not even on the market. They're going to be coming in the next couple months. Okay, they have really good gold. Okay, they are like the cream of the crop up here in Canada. We got some of the best gold in the world. Besides Indian gold is the best. Like from the Middle East, they have the pure. Oh man, they have beautiful gold over there. Nice rose, nice shiny, different, totally different. Gold is like a fingerprint. Okay, it has a a structure. It's kind of like a DNA structure. Like, you know how everybody's DNA is different. Well, the gold up here and across the world can be they can find exactly what stream it came from. Okay. And then once two streams join together, it's mixed. Okay. So I know a lot about this stuff. It's most streams are almost all gold is almost all gold is mixed. Okay. With like quartz crystal, stuff like that. They have pyrite, a whole bunch of stuff like that in it. So, they can tell what stream it came from. So, I heard Canadian wheat is the best sundial. It's pretty good, pretty good. I just tried some of it last night. My wife, she actually, I should show you, she actually has this oil, the CBD oil, and it's just crazy, crazy, crazy. Quartz vein. Yes. Yes, Jim. You know exactly. Jim Miner. It says it right there. So yeah, this company got into Loop Energy, got in. So this is what I was talking about. The main type of the story is that these companies will come out there and say, my stock is worth this. My stock is worth this. And they have to prove it, like a lot of it, but a lot they don't. And they'll throw it on the market, and the market will find out what it's worth. Okay. You can't just say that my stock is worth this and it stays there. Okay. It just doesn't happen like that. So the reason why I'm not going to tell you guys about these gold mines is not because I'm an asshole. It's because I don't want you to get hurt. Okay. Because these mines are going to be listed at high prices. Okay. I'll tell you in about a couple of weeks, you'll probably find them, but be careful. Let the market find the value first, because these things will not be shorted to shit. They're brand new. Okay. But look at that. Look at that. Imagine buying it at 17. Look at this. That's what happens to new companies when they hit the market. Okay. Look at that. Down to $2.50. Imagine if you would have put up like 50 grand in there. You'd be one pretty sad camper right now. Okay. So that's the only reason why I went over that aspect. I wonder if you guys want to see some Sundial oil. I got a bottle here if you want to see it. I know a lot of people don't get to see Sundial product. I can show you guys if you want to see it. Just give me a thumbs up. Yeah? Okay, I'll be back. Just give me a second. Go ahead, Jeffrey. It's all yours.
Yeah, no, I saw somebody in here was talking about
I can put a different. Do you want me to put a different screen on here for you?
no,
Before I
I'm
go?
looking at who
Here's
is that?
Ultra. Yep.
Gem Miner.
Yep.
You said the ATR target is $30.
Here's
Um,
TTR right now. Go ahead.
yeah, it's gotta do what I'm looking at is it's gotta get above a closing candle above six. What is that? 654, 664? Because that's the 200 EMA. And all day it's just been hitting that 200 EMA and bouncing back down. But if it can get a closing candle above that, then it could start to run. But until then, it's gonna hit that and keep on bouncing back down. Oh, I guess it's just me now, huh? All right, so how can we mess up this stream, guys? No. Oh, shoot, he's back.
I'm back. Okay, Wolfpack and new members. Here's how we roll. We try to get everything, even if it comes to product. Okay, this is called, if you're gonna buy it. Oh, wife's saying close the door because I have a loud voice. Just give me 1 second. Sorry about that, Wolfpack. Got to listen to the wife. Eh? No, she's relaxing on the couch. She has a headache this morning. So this stuff is called, it says caution, high concentrates of THC. So this is 36%, 36 milligrams of THC. This will blow your doors right off. This is and it has CBD in it too. It's called Mood Ring. Okay. It's high THC oil. So that's what it is right here. Okay, this is Sundial product. Okay, you can buy it at your local grocery store, pretty much in Canada. So this is it right here. I'm going to show you the purity of it. You stick a syringe in there. There it is right there. Look at that gold nectar. See that? That's pure Sundial, my friends. There you go. You probably, some of you will never see that again in your life. Okay. So that is, look at, everybody's going to be like, what?
Hey,
Walter is still on the screen. Yeah.
hey, Sanjay, you gotta watch out for those ones. I mean, because if you get it in your eye, it could be a problem.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll burn you out. Yeah. I have it on. I wasn't talking about Sundial. I don't have it on the screen,
No,
but
I
they,
was talking to Sanjay.
oh,
He was
Sanjay.
talking about a ticker symbol, and I
Oh, he
said if you
was.
get it in your eye, it could be a
Um,
problem.
oh, it was blurry. You couldn't see it. Okay. I'll suck up more here. I'm allowed to do this because it's legal in my country. If I was in somewhere where it's broadcasting off YouTube, it's legal as hell. You can't do that. So hang on, it's so thick I can't even get it up this syringe. Damn. Holy shit. I just broke it. That's how thick it is. I just broke the syringe. It won't even suck it up now. I just broke the
Oh,
syringe. It was, look, see? Uh-oh. Why waste it, eh? Holy crow,
look at
that's
this.
strong. I spilt it everywhere. No, I got a full bottle here. Just hang on a second.
No, I was talking about how
There it is.
ATR if we can get above,
Oh, it's
but
locked.
it's
There's a thing on it. There's a safety. You can't pull it up and draw past a certain thing. So there it is right there. That's it. It's blurry because it's, see, you can almost see
oh,
through.
Sanjay, you're right.
Isn't he being a, is he being a, no syringes? Ha. No, that's the way you have to do oil, my friends. That's how us Canadians do it. There's no needle on the end. Ha. It's just,
No, he said if you squeeze it, it'll shoot.
oh yeah. So anyways, there you go. There's
No,
Phil's
no,
pure Sundial.
I'm saying ATER is it's trying to push right now.
It is. It is. It is. It is. Amateur.
Pushing.
So, well,
But you see
45
how
minutes.
it's having problems getting past this 658, 660
Yeah.
because that's where the 200 EMA is. But if it can get enough momentum and get above it,
Yeah.
it could fly.
This, sorry, sorry, I'm just going to answer a question here. It's 36% THC. It's one of the higher ones. It's called Mood Ring, and it is $30, $34 for this bottle. And it's cheap as heck here. You have to remember it is Sundial. So, like, you can get knockoff stuff for cheap. Keep out of the reach of children. Oh, well, why'd they sell it to me then? And it's coming out of, it's actually, if you want the phone number, you can order it. Oh, there's a lot number. Sorry. I'm trying to figure out how many
Oh
milligrams.
yeah, AMC is getting a little push too.
Okay, I'll put it back on. I'll stop messing with the. Yeah, Jem. My wife does, but she just likes it raw. She's a cancer survivor, so that's why she. This one's mixed with a lot of
Oh
CBD.
dang, look at AMC, just got a big candle.
Did it? It's at 2% too. Okay, I'm gonna share this. It's coming. It's a coming. It's a coming. There you go. That was pretty fast. So, holy crow! Look at
But
that
then look at
candle, and
that, then it got smacked.
it got smashed huge. Somebody
Oh,
must have
it
pulled the pin.
went into after hours.
Oh,
But the last candle
it did.
before
It did totally.
the last candle before it closed was a 500 and half a million in volume.
Yeah, that's right. So we're hitting into after hours now. Holy crap. Everybody's watching that.
That almost made it close in the green.
It did. It did. It did. Oh, oh, oh. Hear the alarm? I'm all set up for after hours. It means stock closed. See, Wolfpack, I just wanted to tell you, I listen to my own information. When I talk about our squeeze tools, I have the stuff on my phone. I listen to my own words. I'll even show you. AZ screen recorder, ready to go. It's just sitting here. Christy's still fuming. I'm not going to explain why. Who we talking about? Ticker. Oh, we're on AMC right now. We're on AMC. It just market closed. I just wanted to show you the AZ screen recorder, and yes, it's stamped Wolfpack on it. It says right there, Wolfpack. Oh, you can't see it. So I do use my own tools. There's Wolfpack. It says CS Trades on it. This is my screen recorder. Okay, see, I can move it around. That's for when the stock squeezes. Notice I said when, not if. So that is, I'm all ready to go. I got my broker there. It's all ready to go. Listen to your phone. So yeah, my friends, I just want to have a couple look. Yeah, this did the same thing. So a lot of these have pushed after hours. Quite a bit of them actually. HYMC is up 1.10%. Rig is up. It closed at $4.71. It's up 0.63%. GameStop was in the red when it closed at 141.11. It is up 0.25%. I know it's nothing. AMC's. You guys aren't gonna like this. We did hit the $16 mark. Oh, did we? No, we're still hitting down. Okay. It went another 2% after hours. 230 actually. That'll change though. That'll change throughout the night. Well, into the night and then early morning. Do you guys have any questions at all on here? Let's go mining in Barkerville. Barkerville, I've been up there mining a couple times. How do you know about Barkerville, Jem? Like, that's really weird that you know about Barkerville, British Columbia. DD on jugs. Jugs. Oh my God. You guys are hilarious. You guys are having too much fun.
That's funny. A funny story. So we
Go
were
ahead.
this is when I was with when I used to watch Jeremy in the Power Hour, and he
Yeah,
did a
yeah,
lot of TA.
yeah.
And Miss Harris was asking him if he had a good if he had a good ticker for long term.
Yeah,
And so he thought that she said if you could look up good. Well, we found out that good is actually a ticker it's actually a stock. So
yeah,
and uh and then somebody put in there and caps put glad. So he thought that they wanted to see the ticker glad. So we put
yeah,
that in there and we found out that it's actually a ticker. So it's funny. It's just I'm just laughing at these guys putting in these fake tickers, but some of them might be actually stocks.
yeah. That's hilarious. Totally hilarious. Um, yeah, she's hilarious, Miss Harris, for
Yeah,
sure.
she's funny.
I'm just reading I'm well connected to British Columbia. Yeah, there's some. Hey, babe, what's
Javi,
up? Javi, hey, babe. I do it the Canadian way. I went,
Javi, it's Javi. There's no Canadian in that one.
Javi. Javi, Javi, my brother. How
Man,
you, how you doing, buddy? Hopefully you're doing good today. I see you're out and about doing your rounds. Okay, so I was just gonna. Did you Wolfpack members? Did you? Oh, that's 41 people, 42 likes. Dead on. Bango Schwango. Getting some love here, brother. Did you have any questions or my mom was 8-year-old probably when she moved back to the US? Ah, okay. There's a moral to the story here. I was wondering. Um, did you want me to check out? I'm in here, baby. So, did you want me to check out anything on the squeeze list for tomorrow? Did you want me to bring up anything? I'm just gonna pull this.
Uh,
Did you want anything?
no, I'm looking right now. We looked at CEI this morning, didn't we?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we looked that up. I can
And
bring it
that's
up
not even.
again. I can bring it up again. Not a problem. I'll do it here. I can just read the numbers off for sure. Um, especially if you guys are going to be jumping in. Oops, into this stuff in the morning. Okay, I was almost Canadian. Well, you got Canadian blood in you. Okay, SSR off. It went up 20.11%. That's a huge go for the day. That's that. Oh wow. Wow, it changed, man. It changed. Remember, I said it can change. It's at 23.4. Oh no, just no, no, wrong one, wrong shares. Floating shares, 23.43 million. Okay, short percent of float is 9.23. So it's still pretty low. We'd like to see um, something above 16, 18. When it's hit 18, it definitely could go. That then it's up to just volume, right? Um,
Mhm.
and then I'll kick into some gamma a bit, and then you're on your friggin' way. Um, was diluted today. Yeah, something when ticker symbol L or MULN. I'm gonna bring that up right now, just because a lot of people that are listening to post and pre-market. Um, Teledog, yes, I'll look that up right now in a minute.
Mullen.
Yeah,
Mullen was diluted today. Yeah.
yeah, they keep on messing with that stock, eh? It's actually a pretty good stock. A lot of people may SSR is on that, by the way,
Hmm.
for tomorrow.
Yeah.
12. Go ahead.
True Demon did a good. Did a really deep dive into it, and the company that loaned them money was the same company that wanted to loan AMC money that
Yeah.
Adam Aaron told them no. And so what they're doing though is they gave them a loan, but the thing is they can only like if they had to get money again, they can only get money from them. They can't get money from anywhere else. So what happens is these
Oh,
this company whoa no what
yeah.
happens is this company buys shares from them. They'll tell them, hey, we want these many shares,
Yeah.
and they have to give it to them because they loan them the money. So they buy the shares and then they sell them into the market,
Okay.
bring the price down, and basically they're just trying to bankrupt the company from the inside. So
Ah,
so they get them so far down to where they have to ask them for more money every time they take their shares. They have to
yeah.
ask them for more money, and so what happens is they get down to a point, kind of like how Sears, Toys R Us and Radio Shack and all those companies that the hedge funds have done that to. Well,
Yeah.
this loan agency is doing this to Mullen, and basically the executives can't do anything about it because they kind of force their hand with the loan. It's
So there's
crazy.
that is crazy. So he actually got them to sign a contract saying that you can't.
Yeah.
Wow. See, AA did
So,
that.
but the problem is retail found out about it, and so
Okay.
they've been trying to buy up all the
Hammering.
shares that they can.
Wow. Holy crow.
The only
Um,
bad thing is because Mullen is not supposed to have any production till I think second or third quarter of 2023.
so people are
So
already on it. People are already on. So this thing could go frigging nuts. Then you're saying.
yeah, it could, but it like I said, every time it starts to jump, they go in and they attack it from the inside.
That's crazy, man. Okay, I don't have any short percent. I don't have any percent of short available for Mister. Mister. Okay, where to go? Teledog 424. Found a shitload of gold. Um, they might have. This is Brixton Metals Corp. Ticker symbol BBBXF. They're not disclosing their short percent of float, which is very. It's in Canada. It's in Canada. I can find that out for you, buddy. Whereabouts in Canada? British Columbia. 95 claims. I might take a drive up there.
Hmm.
Whereabouts is it? 640 acres and okay, West Montana. Oh, they have claims all over the place. Ontario, British Columbia. I wonder where in British Columbia. And cobalt deposits. Cobalt's pretty good too. There's actually I'm in a cobalt company. It's called Fuse Cobalt. Northwest British Columbia. They got 95 claims. Wow. Headquarters is in Vancouver, Canada. Do you guys want to? Do you want me to do a live interview with these guys? I can get them on live, probably on YouTube. They'll probably come on with us. It's a Canadian company in their headquarters in Vancouver. I can Bromex Mine. I'm gonna actually get a hold of them. I got their website right here. I'm saving it to my computer. I'm gonna write them a letter and talk to them. Talk to them and see if they want to come on live and see if they want to talk to us. A lot of these companies do because it helps push their company, right?
Yeah. One thing with this war ramping back up, we got to look at commodities.
Yes.
Commodities are going to
Yes.
be big.
Well, that's why with this mine, like if you can get wholesale gold off these guys, after obviously, remember I told you this before, wait till it goes to a smelting company. But I
Yeah.
can find out where the company where they're smelting it. So what I will do is I will contact this mine. Okay. I'm actually going up. It's funny. I can't mention it live because it's a surprise birthday party. I can't even hint. I'm going past a mine, a couple actually, two big mines in Canada, um, up in BC. I'm going up for a camping trip. So what I'm going to do is I will pull my RV into the mine. It's security, but I'll play stupid and I'm going to say, "Oh, I took the wrong turn." I'm going to take you guys into the mine. I'm going to turn my trailer around and come out, but I'll be shooting my vlogging camera there. Okay. I'm going to film this mine for you guys. So little tricks like that can get you a long ways. uh, so yeah. Um, is it low price gold? Yes, it's not the highest. HYMC is when I say low price gold, it does have a lot of impurities in it. It has an extraction process which is cyanide extraction process that they're using. So yes, it has impurities in it. Um, yeah, I just wanted to say that. It does. I don't know the exact core samples. Mike, there's a guy named Mike that was actually on the other channel there. He does come over here sporadically. He was supposed to give me some figures on this, but what I'm going to actually do is I'm writing this email address down because I'm going to start. Do you guys want me to start getting some of these companies on live? Wolfpack, I always ask my viewers that. If you do, I will contact some of these companies. The CEO, not the CEO, the CF. Usually, and then I'm going to take you guys. I'll take you guys prospecting with me 1 or 2 days. And I've all showed you. You probably want to see it too. You want to see my gold detector that runs off quartz crystals? I have a gold detector that runs off quartz crystals. It actually finds nuggets. Like, look at, I got nuggets all over the place. So I'll show you guys. You guys want to learn? Yeah, why not? Okay, give me a second.
Hey, Doug, what did your dog say about ATER this morning?
What did his dog? Oh yeah, that's funny. The dog. So this is
His
it's
dog is smart.
it is that dog is smarter than than Mr.
Some
Ingram's
of the
cat.
analysts on Wall Street.
It is for sure smarter than that. Uh, oh, that's funny. Okay. So this, you're freaking hilarious. So anyways, this is called the Gold Buddy too. Okay. This runs off quartz crystals. There's a bunch of quartz crystals in here. Um, is that one waterproof? It is up to the base, but no, the actual box isn't, because the quartz crystals can't run. They have to breathe like any gems. Same as my ring has to have, if it's real diamonds, it has to breathe. I know so much about this stuff. So anyways, that's what this runs off of. There's you dial it in, you can actually have a trash thing on here, but this will pick up. This is the bottom here, and it picks up, it sends out a frequency and it bounces off the gold. And how I set it is I set it off my ring. I take my nugget off and I set it on the ground and I set it up to that type of gold frequency. A lot of people don't know that. You got to set it to real gold, and then you'll hit real gold, right? That's the trick, my friends. If you can't just use a metal detector for looking for gold. It just doesn't work. You'll find maybe some surface junk, but you won't smash the real stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a take on that. And what we'll do is, yeah, it does. That was about $1,000. That gold detector. There's a difference between metal detector and a gold detector. Okay, they're totally different. One will pick up gold, but yeah, that was my wife bought me that. Actually, that was my Christmas present a couple years ago. She just, for Christmas, she gave me some money, and I was like, what the heck is she doing? Right? She gave me $1,000, like a big little stack of, she put it in 20s. It was like a pretty good wad, right? And she goes, oh, here, go. I'm like, what? It was in a box all wrapped. I'm like, what the heck? And she goes, oh, I'm just giving you money for Christmas. To get in alter. Just hang on a second, Stockwiz. I'll actually let Jeffrey answer that 1 second. So anyways, how about a big magnet? Gold is not magnetized. It won't pick up gold. That's the trick in your gold pan. That's how you get rid of all the black sand. Black sand is magnetic. It'll pull up and leave the gold behind. See, you guys, you want to know some black sand? I got gold all over the place here. You have to remember, I'm Canadian. This is black sand with gold in it, right there. That's black. See the gold in there? Little flakes of gold. That's black sand. If I was to hit a magnet on there, half this stuff would disappear. So anyways, I will get into that more. Go ahead, Jeff. Answer the stock whiz. I'll pull the question up for you, brother. And we're going to stay on for another 20 minutes, and then I'm going to bounce. Go ahead. Go ahead, Jeff. Oh, do you want me to read it to you?
I don't know. I think it's probably, 2-day settlement would be tomorrow for the calls that went in the money on Friday. There was about, I think, 55,000 calls that went in the money on Friday when it closed at 550. So, it could have a run up tomorrow. But just looking at it, it likes to run one day and then consolidate for a couple, and then run one day, consolidate for a couple, runway. But it's been getting hotter and hotter over the last week. It runs one day, then it cools off, and then runs again, cools off, runs again. So, not financial advice, but I think it's probably going to cool off tomorrow.
That's awesome, buddy. Awesome. Here, just hang on a second. Hitting the refresh here.
Like I said, as long as it gets over a closing candle over 664, it has a good chance to run. But it's got to get over the 200 EMA, which is at 664.
Yeah, that's right.
Otherwise, it's just going to keep on bouncing like it did today.
Yeah,
it ran up there and then came back down. Ran up and came back down.
That's right. That's crazy, eh? How it did that. So that Stockwood says thank you. Right on. That's awesome. Solid answer. Okay. What's up with the barcoding on eight? It's been doing that for a long time there, T. Citizen. That's one of the things that happens when I've noticed that when something's shorted really, really bad, that it's pretty much owned by hedge funds or institutions, that it's a lot of computer trading on it. Um, that's just my take on it. What do you think, Jeff?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was reading these
Oh no,
chats.
go
They're
ahead.
too
Go
funny.
ahead. I know, I know. They that's awesome. Stock's running. I know they're misbehaving
Oh, hey,
now.
Doug. Doug, it did hold 634. It closed today at 655. So
Yeah,
if it can stay up there tomorrow and get up, like I said, you'll see once it gets past 664, as long as it gets past it and then retraces back, hits it, and then goes off, then it's time to go. But if
yeah,
it hits 664 and bounces back down, like I said, it just needs to have enough momentum to get past 664.
that's right. That's right. That's right. I had a
And then,
question.
like I said, once it gets past it, it has to retest it. Otherwise, it won't become it'll stay resistance because it'll drop back through it. But if it goes up and retests it, and it becomes support.
Right on. Thanks, brother, for explaining that to a couple people. Um, Tickers are catching a lot of attention, especially for the man. So I have a question right here. Here's from StockWiz. I was switching about Webull too. I wanted to add more stocks to my follow, and I couldn't had to subscribe. I'm all the way to open again. Yeah, they're with these Chinese junk. So what's happening is they're having a big promotion on right now, Webull. Um, like I said before, um, with that stuff is they're offering, like, if you want to open up an account, I can't control that, and that is up to you. But if you're into Webull or Robinhood, I would not, this is not financial advice, I would sell those stocks first. If you're in the squeeze, just get rid of them first, maybe on your share recovery or whatever, right? Those would be the first ones I'd get rid of, because we've seen a lot of liquidation problems with them, and we just don't want you guys to get hurt on that. And BC Jade at Cash Creek, yes, there's one of the biggest pieces of jade right there in front of the door of the jade shop. Somebody actually pulled a truck up. And if you want to feel more, so this is a bot right here. I can't pull this off. There, thanks, guys. Ha, stupid freaking bot. So, anyways, I can't take. Did you guys take that off there? That's dumb bot. Yeah, I don't know what the heck. I got that. What that is off Trading View, or no, it's not. It's off of Twitch. So I can't block list. There, she's gone, roasted, vaporized. So yeah, I just wanted to get into that aspect of what they did was pull up a truck. It's funny. They pulled up a truck. This thing's so heavy that they stole it. Hey, buddy, how's it going? So yeah, I just wanted to say that, and yeah, so it was hilarious. They took this Hiab and they wrapped it around and put this piece of jade on there. Well, the thing is this piece of jade, um, this piece of jade is like so heavy. This whole truck was like tilted down the road, and these people stole it. And this thing, like, it's the biggest piece of jade that it's worth a fortune, right? But you can't just lift it. Like, what are you going to do with this thing? Like, put it in front of your house and throw a blanket over top of it and hide it? Like, you can't roll it in your house. So these people didn't think about this, right? So what they did, they found it in Kamloops down a ravine, this big boulder, this big chunk of jade. It's worth large money. Yeah, so I just want to tell you what the story on the end of that. So I'm going to jump off here in a couple minutes when Jeff gets back here. You guys were fighting over roasting that bot, weren't you? I got to it first, Wolfpack. Yemos are expensive if they are not untreated. Yeah, yeah. We shall be patient and wait. Yeah, it's going to take a little bit. These are good questions here, Wolfpack. Yeah, definitely. I this was a success here with this power hour. So we're gonna have Pantheon on tomorrow if he can make it. We're hoping he can make it, but that's up to him. He's going to be on with Boss tonight and a bunch of those gentlemen. AMC Bigums, I think. Yeah, it's just what bot? I know you're messing around, Sanjay. You're not paying attention. It's all good. I got him. I got him. I got him before you guys did. It was an actual bot. It's actually off of Twitch. I nailed it. I vaporized it just like that. So I didn't know you had a dog, Jay. The groomers, yeah, not a problem, Jay. Peace, brother. Okay, what's the week ahead for EMC Cam? I have not been on lately. I'm busy, and I saw it went down. That I haven't actually had a look at. Give me a sec. I will wrap that right now, and then I'm going to jump off here in a minute.
Sorry about that.
No, it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's doing that barcoding. I don't know.
Oh no. Stacia says she's gonna make some special sauce for the attendees.
Oh, there you go. Oh my
I'm
god.
not even going there,
Yeah,
Stacia.
I'm
I'm
not
not even
even
going
going
there.
there. Yeah, here I'll even blow it up so you guys can get a good laugh. Wow, that could be crazy. Oh, she's bugging Sanjay now. You guys are hilarious. Sandra the bot.
Too much.
Razor
Too
tooth.
much.
Sanjay's razor tooth. I don't have razor tooth hooked up right now, but I enjoyed Power Great listening and sharing with you it with hubby today. Oh, is hubby home, Pixie? I say hi. You got a beautiful wife there. She's so smart and really dedicated to our channel, our Wolfpack server. So I just wanted to say that this Friday we're having Veterans Day on the channel, and we're going to be doing a couple episodes, I guess, of that. We're going to. I'm just working on the material right now. We're going to be having Warren is going to be on there. He's not on here today. He's going to be explaining a whole bunch of stuff about the war and stuff like that, and what it's like living afterwards, and on and on and on, to enlighten us on some of the stuff. This stuff has not been covered before. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. We're going to be doing that on Friday afternoon. So Wolfpack, tune in tomorrow morning. I'll be live. I might have a guest on. I might not. It's a surprise. So it might be me solo. And if I am, I'll be on Streamlabs. Okay. It's a little bit easier to pull the charts up because it's behind me. And I just wanted to say that after Power Hour, we're going to have Mr. Pantheon on. So anyways, you guys, Jeff, did you want to say anything at all to shout anybody out or anything?
No, thanks everybody. You guys are all a bunch of laughs. like like getting on here and just chit chatting. It's a whole lot easier talking than typing in your message.
I know, isn't it? I know it is. It is getting on there. And yeah, it definitely is. Okay, Wolfpack, thank you for the mods and stuff. I really appreciate it. And guys, thanks for sort of behaving today, mods. You did good. And thank you for everybody coming and joining us today. I told you I'd keep this power hour short and sweet. Yeah, it worked out perfect. Tomorrow will be ending at 1:32. So there's no sense in going for 2-3 hours. I know you guys are very busy, but thanks for coming out and joining us. Okay. Peace.